How to create pin on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Messenger and go to the settings of Messenger. Over here, you would be able to find the option of privacy and safety. Simply open it up. And here you would be able to find the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. Simply click on it. And here you would be able to find the option of secured storage or messages storage. Simply click on it and turn it on. After that, you would be able to find the option of pin. Simply click on it and set the pin. Since Meta is trying to get this feature down for all the people out there, I haven't got the option of secured storage as of now, but for you it might be there. Just simply click on it and you would be able to set the pin, and this is how you do it. In case if it is not there for you, then you can set the password for the Messenger application on your Android mobile or your iOS device. So this way it would be beneficial for you. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.